Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to order Revolut physical card. To order a Revolut physical card, go to your Home tab and tap the card section at the top right. Click on Add New and select Physical. You'll see the available cards. The standard card costs around €6 or $7. If you're on a Revolut plan, you can also choose a metallic card or different colors. I'll go with the regular card and click Get Card for €6. Next, you can customize your card for about €4 or $5 or click Skip at the top right. Then, create a PIN and review your address. Click Yes. Send this to this address if correct, or No. Edit if it needs changing. Make sure the address is accurate to avoid delivery issues. Select your delivery method and click Continue. You'll see the cost and payment options. Click Change for a different method or pay directly with Apple Pay or Google Pay. I'll use that option. That's it! Your Revolut card will arrive in a few business days, and you can check the delivery date in the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.